Hello guys, how are you?
Everyone knows that the performance of a page is extremely important from a ranking perspective, and Google measures it through Core Web Vitals. First, LCP, largest contentful page; second, CLS, cumulative layout shift; and third is FID, first input delay. As we know that on March 24, INP will replace FID and taking the performance evaluation to the next level. It measures the entire time it takes for the browser to respond to any user interactions, from clicks to scrolls and readers the first visual change. Things it like this: if you click a button and nothing happens for a second, it's like the website is frozen. This frustrates users and make them question if their interaction even registered. Conversely, a fast INP feels smooth and responsive, keeping users engaged and immersed in your content. Since Google wants users to have positive experience, it rewards sites with fast INP by boosting their ranking. Making website easy to use encourages people to explore and interact more. This helps the website show up better in searches and get more visitors. Why is it important? Faster interactions means happier users. A good INP is like a magic trick. You click and instantly the button changes color, the card update or the product zooms in. It's seamless initiative and keeps you glued to the screen. This responsiveness is what Google wants users to experience. It shows your website is alive. It values their actions and keep them engaged. So when Google sees websites with consistently fast INP, it rewards them with higher rankings. Guys, it is a simple equation. Happy engaged users equal a happy Google algorithm. And that, my friend, is why INP is a ranking factor you absolutely cannot ignore. How do I measure INP? Home Dev tools and Lighthouse are the new best friends. They will calculate INP right alongside FID, giving you a complete picture of your site responsiveness. Optimizing for INP. The good news is most INP optimization are the same as your FID buddies. Minify code, optimize images, avoid heavy libraries, but remember, INP considers all interactions, so priority is critical rendering pathways for those key elements users tap and swipe the most. The future of INP. INP is still under development, but it's already gaining traction. Come March 24, it is replacing FID as a core web vital, because INP is about to become your new best friend or worst enemy if your site is a slug. So get ready to make your site snappier and more user friendly. Follow the tips and stay ahead in the online race. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video.